Here is we're creating a radius of using ultra wideband, which we've set to 2 different distances, one for amber, one for red. So as we can see, as we head towards Lisa over there, as we get into the amber radius, we're now seeing an amber alert. So that's just giving the fork truck driver just a gentle warning that there's somebody close by, nothing too aggressive. As we get closer into the radius, like so, towards our pedestrian over there, we can see we're now going to get a red alert. And that red alert is telling us we're now inside the red radius, which I think we set at about 8 feet just for this demonstration purposes. As we come out of the radius, we can see the alert turns off. And as we go back in, we'll see the alert will come back on again. That's also alerting Lisa as well, who's got a wearable. And that's going to be vibrating and giving her an audio noise as well. So she's fully aware that there's also a truck in her facility.